This one's just too fun. So you saw the birdhouse I had here, and I flipped it over, and you can see I've got a ant problem in the birdhouse with the bees. But also, can you see my little friend over here? I don't know how he got into this mess. Oh, there he is. Oh my goodness. So he was in the other hole. No wonder everyone's really ticked off. Oh, goodness. Goodness, goodness, goodness. All right, so we're going to let him go and see if we can't get him on film. No, 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 no. Go back out. On the good side, I know he's not poisonous. All right. This one's just too interesting to ignore. The snake's living on that side. He's non-poisonous. I've got ants living here. I think the bees are on this side. But let's see what we find. All right. I'm going to try a little something different. We'll see how this works. Because it's wanting to start to rain. All right, I'll show you what we got. The girls have a path to climb up to their new home. Put some comb out front just to get that scent going. All their fruit is inside. You can see they're starting to climb up both the barrel and the board. It's going to be a slow process, but they'll get there. They're already starting to come out, and I think do some fanning. You can see some fanning going on right here. Alright, I might stay and watch them for a couple minutes. It's always entertaining. Giving them a little rain cover here. Give them a better chance to kind of get inside. We'll wait on that. Alright, it's been a few minutes, and you can see they've created a bit of a bee bridge from underneath both the back side of the board as well as up the barrel. And they're going across that comb and up and checking out this comb, and they're up above. And I've seen bees out here fanning, telling me it's home. Some out here still haven't gotten the memo, but I've got them a little roof up here so that they're not going to get rained on, and hopefully these girls are smart enough to hustle up to a new house. No snake for a neighbor, no ant colony for a neighbor. Might be more of a only 50,000 sisters living in with their mother. Alright, so it's an hour or so later, and if you take a look, a lot of the girls haven't got the memo that upstairs is the new house. So let's see if I can't help them understand that. Alright. So sometimes they get the memo, and sometimes they don't. So sometimes they get the memo, and sometimes they don't. But let's see. So you can see there should be a lot fewer girls in there than there was before. You can see they're all over the front, and they're still interested in that comb. But there was all those girls down there, I think, have made their way up. Still have a lot of ants running around, but I think that's going to be reduced. We're getting there. This was maybe an hour or two after when the rains were hitting.